Hello. Right, I've not done a video for a while, so I'm going to do a quick one now. I've got to do this video because something's come for the classic superbike build. So I'm going to quickly go through this. Obviously, in the title, you'll know what it is. Well, I think it's what it is anyway, because I've got a few things coming. I'm thinking it's the Nitron Shock, so I'm going to jump straight in. I just want to say a quick thanks to Craig at Nitron, who's done me a great deal on this shock as well, just before I unwrap it. Anyway, let's get into it and let's see what it looks like. So here it is, and I'm just in my front room, as you can see. So parcels it come a couple of days ago. You can see, look how well, just when something comes wrapped like that, you just know you're getting a quality product. It's a bit like when the exhausts come for the tzr 253 They also come in a beautiful box, wrapped, and yeah, you just know that there's something like, I don't know, you just know that there's some craftsmanship there. And when they're wrapping things like this, everything's got to be done proper, perfect, and a bit special. So anyway, so I'm going hands free for this, and I hope I get it in. I don't want to miss anything when I'm unwrapping it. I just hope I've got this right. So I'm going hands free. Right, I'm hoping this is in. I'm hoping you can see this. So it was delivered by DHL the other day. I'm guessing this is the shock. I'm hoping it is anyway. I'm thinking because of the way it's wrapped and everything. That's what it is. And it is. It had to be. It had to be. Well, I'm excited. World class suspension. Let's have a look what's in here. And there it is. So it's the shock for the srad. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So this is for the srad track bike that I'm building. I've been getting onto a new number of manufacturers scrounging stuff, trying to get things for cheap. I've got a guy that's supposed to going to be racing for me. I'm hoping he's going to race for me. He's been a good rider, a decent rider. He's had a decent profile in the past, and I just want to help get him riding again, really. So I'm getting some money together, and I'm building a bike, and I'm hoping he's going to race it for me. Handmade in the UK. Absolutely beautiful. What a beautiful shock that is. So it's set to 15 stone. I know, 15 stone. I told the rider he needs to start running and mountain biking, and he told me to piss off. He says, I'm not doing that. He says, I'm not bloody running, mate. I'm not running. He says, I might go in the sweat room for a couple of weeks. He said, but I'm not running. So I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So as the build goes on, I'm going to get this fitted to the bike. I've got a lot of blooming work to do. I've been on with all sorts. I've had loads of work I've been on with customers' cars, bikes. My bike's blown up, so the tzr 253 well, it's not blown up. The head gasket's failed on it, so I need to get a new head gasket for it. And I think I'm going to get one from America. I found a place. Someone's put me in touch with someone in America, and they'll make me one for it, a decent one. But I've gone and done something else as well, So I've done something else. Because I'm wound up about the TZR 253 MA. I've only gone out and bought a brand new bike. So I have. I've gone and bought a brand new bike. And that comes tomorrow actually. So I've gone and bought a Yamaha R7, the 60th anniversary edition, and that's supposed to be coming tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to getting that. I quite like the idea of these new what are they calling them, middleweight bikes. So yeah, they're going down the road of like a twin, aren't they? Cross plane cranks on a lot of them. So yeah, there's a lot of low end to medium torque. So sounds interesting. I'm not really interested in the top speeds, to be honest. I'm not really interested in doing 150, 60, 70 on the roads. I just think that's absolutely stupid. Not interested in that at all. So yeah, I just want to get back riding again, really, on something modern and experience a modern bike. So yeah, that's the Nitron shock. He was going to actually ask. I asked him about how much some mugs were. I wanted some mugs for the track, and I thought he was going. He said he'd have a look and send me some, but he's not. Never mind. I'd have bought some off him. I'd have bought some. I'll get back in touch with them because I wanted a couple of mugs. Really, it'd have been good advertising for them at the track. But never mind. Done me a fantastic deal on it. So again, thanks Craig at Nitron. We went to and forth, and you did me a good deal on this. Hopefully, I will get you lots of advertising with this shock on the bike and the track and everything. We got some decals as well. So you've sent me. What have I got there? I've got two small Nitron decals. You could have sent me some bigger ones, really. To be honest, well, I'll get them. They'll go on the bike somewhere. I'll put them on the bike. I've got a little book here. So, who the shock was built by, checked by, date it was built, and it's got like a service schedule on there. So yeah, that's nice. That is nice. And I can, if I change riders, or if I want to use the bike for track days, I can change out this spring, and I can have it set to myself. I'm a bit lighter than the rider, Jack, so I'm a couple of stone lighter than Jacko. I'm just under 13, I think I am. But we'll see how that goes. I'm trying to do a bit of training at the moment and trying to put a bit of weight on. So hopefully I'm going to put a bit more size on, but we'll see. So yeah, the Nitron shock. Happy with that, very happy. If you want one of these, I'll put a link in the description. So a link in the description there. You go on the site and you can have a look, or you could just give them a call. They're really, really good to work with. Fantastic to work with, they are. Yeah, absolutely great. So I'm really happy with that. You can't beat working with good people. So that's the shock. Fantastic. Thank you very much, Nitron.